Okay, all set. So some new students are there and some students are for demo. Subhashri, I can see Subhashri, Sarthak, Sahil, Purini, Revant, Priyadarshini, Prateek, Neeraj, Ivanshi, Emil, Dushyant, Deepak, Bhavnita, Ashwin, Abhishek. Okay. So some students very new, like Sahil, I don't know. Sahil, I think almost I know everyone. Sahil, from where you are? Very good evening. In Chennai? Okay. Sahil, Chennai, which college? KCG, okay. Yes, they have aeronautical branch. Sahil, how did you get this meeting ID password? Oh, sorry, I gave you. I think I have not saved your number or something. We had chat. Okay. Okay, thank you, Sahil. I remember other students' name. I'm able to recognize all of you. Let's start the class. So guys, how should I start day one class? I have to explain a lot of things about how I'm going to take the session entire year. So first point, our course syllabus. This course syllabus, first you have aircraft propulsion, what I will take. Then you have aircraft structure, then flight mechanics, and then aerodynamics. So these are our core subjects. Other than that, we have to consider rocket propulsion and space dynamics in our core subject. So total 6 subjects what we have to study as an aeronautical or aerospace engineer. After that, we have to add, which is common. So engineering mathematics plus ability. So you can say GA, general ability or general aptitude. So in engineering mathematics, when I will start the portion, I will explain the syllabus properly. And in general ability, you have 2 portions. One is verbal ability, one is numerical ability. Okay. One more thing, whenever I am explaining something, that time you should not make note. You should listen the lecture properly, carefully. And if lecture is not very heavy, and if you are comfortable, like different people are of different types, sometimes even they can take note and they can listen also. So first your focus should be on the understanding part. And now you see, whatever I will teach on the screen, this page I will save in my system. And after the class, the same page I will convert into PDF. Earlier, with last batches, I was not doing this. I was simply scribbling this, scribbling like this. I was doing like this. So this year it will be advantage. And so what is the benefit? Whatever I am writing on the screen, that will be available everything as a PDF. This is one thing. And whatever I am teaching here, this entire lecture is being recorded in my another device. So after recording, this lecture will be uploaded on Google Drive. So that lecture will take some hours time to upload on Google Drive. So next day it will be available again. So this lecture you can access on Google Drive whenever you want. So that I call as video course. So whatever I will teach you, that will be available in PDF form, and then it will be available on video course as well. Now, what about your own, how will you make your notes? So when I am taking classes on the screen, just a minute, suppose I am taking any topic. In that topic, lot of things I will speak and lot of things I will write on the screen. So whatever things I am writing on the screen, that you should make note. If you want to make note later, then that is well and good. Because if you will not make note here, if you will make note later, then you can make your note in more better way. Because whatever I will teach on the screen, that will be available in video format also, and that will be available on PDF format also, right? So if you are making note later, I mean tomorrow, so one more thing, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday will be having classes for our core subject. One more extra day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. After Wednesday, which day? Thursday. So on Thursday we'll be having our bridge course. Now in this bridge course, whatever I'm going to discuss, that will be your I will tell you what I'm going to discuss in bridge course. Just for an example, if I will ask these kind of questions, suppose now you see, if I will ask what will be the spring force, what will be the spring force? Now this question, how will you classify? Some students will say this question is from vibration, because they will see spring, they will say mass, so they will say this is from vibration. So they will think this portion will cover in vibration. But no guys, this is not from vibration. This is 11th class mechanics. So in our GATE syllabus, I am talking only about aerospace. In our GATE syllabus, before 2021, means until 2022, syllabus was very different. In 2021, syllabus was somewhat bold. Bold means paper was very hard and questions were very lengthy. And in 2022, good evening Vedant, they made lot of changes in the syllabus. See, the syllabus what they are giving in the form, when you will apply the form, or even when you will visit the GATE website, you will be having complete syllabus. Anyway, before starting any subject, I will give you the details of all the syllabus. Like this particular subject, for example, aircraft propulsion, I will show you on my screen that this particular thing contains how many topics in detail. And all those topics are their given syllabus. But in that also, this year I will tell you what they did. Internal combustion, which is nothing but diesel engine and petrol engine, and you can say auto or something. These engines we don't have in our syllabus. But this engine, from this corner also, they asked one question based on atomization. So